Now to our other top story tonight. Legal experts say the abortion bill proposed by Indiana Senate Republicans is leaving several unanswered questions about the bill's legality.
Yeah, and as we reported, the proposal would ban all abortions except in circumstances like rape, incest, or in the health of the mother. CBS 4 State House reporter Kristen Eskow spoke with legal experts today. She joins us now in our studio.
And Kristen, what are some of the questions those experts have tonight?
Well, Max and Debbie, experts do agree that the bill in its current form leaves few exceptions for when abortions would be legal. But they say there are parts of the bill that are unclear, including enforcement of the legislation.
The proposed State House bill would ban abortion at all stages of pregnancy. There are a few exceptions. Those include victims of rape or incest who sign an affidavit provided to their physician. A police report or criminal charges would not be required. The mother's health is another exception, specifically to prevent a substantial permanent impairment of the life of the mother.
It's just really unclear. What does this mean?
Dr. Caroline Rouse helps run the Indiana section of the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, which supports abortion rights. She says during pregnancy, there are numerous health conditions that could fit under that criteria.
But there is no definitive line between health and life. A condition that is health-threatening today could be life-threatening in 48, 96 hours, 2 weeks from now.
Experts say if the bill becomes law in its current form, that could be decided by the courts later on.
The first few cases that get litigated, if there are challenges, will help to settle that. And presumably courts would draw upon other areas such as negligence law or medical malpractice law.
Steve Sanders with IU's Maurer School of Law says although women who obtain an illegal abortion would not face criminal penalties, enforcement remains unclear.
I did a word search and the word enforce or enforcement doesn't even appear in the bill.
And the bill will be considered by lawmakers when the special session starts next week. Lawmakers expect amendments to be introduced, so the bill could change before the final vote. Kristen Eskow, CBS 4 News.
And we'll have team coverage, as you mentioned, Kristen, covering the special session that's coming up.